Hello inventors, in this video I'm going to show you how we can create AI dice app using MIT App Inventor. So here we go. So first we need to click on start new project and my project name is dice app new and then OK. So first of all we will use here one layout. In the left side you will find the layout option. I'm going to use here vertical layout arrangement and make this width and height as fill parent like this. And I need one image here. Click on user interface and just drag and drop one image here and click on vertical arrangement and make this in a center and this should be in a center. Okay, horizontal and the vertical. Now click on that image and make this width and height is, you can make it in a percentage or pixels. So I will make it 100 pixel. Okay, like this. Cool. Now I want to change that background color. So click on background color, click on custom and you can change that color to anything. Okay, like this. So I'm going to use your two button also. So it's one button and two button. So click on one first button and just say start game and then just say stop game. Okay, you can design that stop game something like this. In the start game you can define that background color to something green, change that text color to the white something, make it at least 18 like this. Click on stop game and change that to red, make it text color to the white and make this font size to 18 like this. So now we need here some images. Okay, so what I will do here, click on that image and we need to upload file. I already have some images. Okay, I have these images. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Okay, so we need to upload all images one by one. So first select, then open, then okay, then again we have to do the same thing, upload file, choose file. So we have uploaded all 6 images here. So click on that image and just select one picture is one.png, like okay. And as you can see we have this. Okay, so what I will do, I will change that particular arrangement background color to black. So this will look like this. Now what we need to do here, in the left side you will find the media option and you will see the speech recognizer, this one. So just drag and drop this here. Okay, like this. And now we need to just uncheck this use legacy option like this from here. And now we need to go to the block section. So whenever someone click on that button one, start game button, so we need to enable speech recognizer. Okay, this one. And whenever someone click on button 2, so we need to stop that speech recognizer like this. Okay, so now this is fine. Now what we will do, whenever someone start this game, okay, so what we need to do, we just need to say next move please. Okay, so go to the block. So click on speech recognizer and as you can see after getting text, so use the click on control, use if else condition, click on logic and use this. If the result is equal to the next move please, you can change that text to next move or next or whatever you want. Next move please. Okay, whenever this text is equal to result, then we will call the random number here. Okay, random number. So how we can do this, so go to the block section and click on the image and as you'll find the set image, this one, set image dot picture. Okay, we need to click on text and you'll find the join option, call it here, remove it from here and in the join click on the maps and you will get the random integer from, so call it here and this should be 1 2 6. Okay, we have 6 images and in the last we just need to click on text and add one text here like this and just say dot png like this. Okay, and after this we need to just say again call get text, call get text, this one again. Okay, now this will this will display some error. So how we can handle this error, so to handle one error we need to just call here just click on screen and you'll find when screen error occurred. So click on that. We need to do something here. So what I will do, I will just do simple thing is like set button color or something. So set button color or something. Set button text, I will say set button one text to as it is like our button text is start, right? Or button text is start game. So I will again say start game, start game, like this. Okay, so it's simple. So now what we need to do, we can do one more thing here. We can make it as a manual also. So suppose I need one more button here like this, or it's just like a play something, and I will change that color to the something is orange or something, and I will make it with this something 60% or 30% like this. Okay, and here what I will do, I will go to the text, make it black, it's play. So whenever someone click on that play button, so if you don't want to play this with your voice command, so you can click on the manual play button to get random number, okay, on the dice. So on that button 3 click, I just need to call again that whole this here whole method here. It's simple. Okay, like this. So whenever I click on here, so what I need to do, I just need to get this. I don't need to use the condition also. I just need to delete just if else. It's simple. So whenever I click on the button, so this will automatically generate the one PNG file and this will automatically display. So that's our virtual dice app. Okay, so you can use this app as a virtual dice. In this app, we have 3 buttons: start game, stop game, and play. So suppose if you want to play this dice, so you need to click on that play button like this. Click on this play button. See, this will generate the random number like 3, 6, 3, 2, right? Like this. Now, if you don't want to click on that button, you just want to control that dice using your voice command. So you need to click on start game like this. Next move, please. See, that one is controlling, right? Using my command. So you just need to say next move, please. And this will automatically change. Okay. So like say again, wait some seconds and then again say, okay, next move, please. Like this. So if you want to stop that voice command, so you just need to click on stop game. And simple. Or you can play this game with your that play button. So that's the virtual dice app. Okay. Okay. So that's the app we have created. So if you need any help on that, so just comment on the video. I'll try my best to solve the problems. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, like this video and share this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye bye.